Ma'am,
Was
at
it
my place, ma'am, it was ma'am 4 to 5 degrees, ma'am. It was very cold.
really? How come this variation being in same city?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
ma'am,
Divyansh.
my area is a bit, ma'am, open.
Maybe,
So
Good
maybe.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Divyansh. Maybe because of that, quite possible. Quite possible.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, बच्चे यशवी, Yashika. Beta, who is this Rupali Saxena? Vyom's mother's name, I believe. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine, 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 fine. Okay. Let it.
Good
Let it.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vyom, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly your attendance, and then we start with the
good
class.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pratyush. 8th C, right?
Ma'am,
Yes, bache.
ma'am, a happy new year.
Thank you, beta. Same to you, beta. Same to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, what is the date today?
4 Jan.
Jan 2020.
4 Jan
Yes,
2021.
4 Jan 2021.
Okay. 3 days have passed of this new year, right? Fine. Beta,
Yes,
quickly your
sir.
attendance. Quickly your attendance, and then we'll discuss that what exactly you have planned for your art integrated project for the socials. I think everybody got the message that I posted on Sunday.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry, Saturday. Saturday I posted. Fine.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
I hope now there is no foundation that you have to go with only monuments. You can make anything that you want to, but you need to update me that which all groups are making what, right? So today we'll be doing this exercise once I take the attendance. And I hope you all know your groups, class.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am.
so today, the whole period we will do.
No, 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 no. Not the whole period, but of course after taking the class, right? Actually, some of the students were asking that what is the like how to go with the project and other things, no? So we'll be discussing exclusively on that only. Fine.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, means main topic will
Good
be.
morning बेटा व्योम. हाँ जी बताइए बच्चे. पौरुष सॉरी बोलो
Ma'am,
बेटा.
means main topic will be art integrated only.
No, we'll wind up quickly because we
For
need to
today.
complete the syllabus as well beta. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, why we don't have to ma'am, हमें कुछ भी नहीं करना मैम civics में मैम why?
नहीं अगर आप देखो सिविक्स से रिलेटेड कोई चीज अगर आप महाराष्ट्र की करना चाहते हो तो यू कैन डू एज वेल. आप सिविक्स में जैसे अगर हम आप हमें बताओ एनी टॉपिक दैट यू रियली फील कि आप सिविक्स में ले सकते हो उसको. एनीथिंग.
मैम politics, मैम laws.
Crime. Ma'am, how
Ma'am,
to
courts there.
control the crime in the Maharashtra?
देन what exactly you are going to give in that. भाई जैसे हिस्टोरिकल.
Ma'am, these all.
हाँ.
Ma'am, these all information.
Okay. So what you can do is for civics. What we can do is listen. Aryan, good morning. आपकी आवाज समझ में नहीं आ रही है बेटा. You can speak again what you wanted to say. You can ask.
Ma'am, we can tell about the judiciary in the Maharashtra.
What you can do is you can link the High Court, Maharashtra, like Bombay High Court, with history. With maths as well, you can make connect it, like the structure, the architecture, the measurements of the whole building. In that way you can like if you really want to relate it, that way I think you can relate. है ना. हाई कोर्ट भी हो जाएगा, सिविक्स का पार्ट हो जाएगा. देन उसका जो भी आर्किटेक्चर है वो आपका हिस्ट्री का पार्ट हो जाएगा. और जो मेजरमेंट्स वगैरह है वो आपका मैथ्स का पार्ट हो जाएगा. दैट वे इफ यू वांट टू रिलेट यू कैन गो विद इट. राइट? राइट क्लास?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is this fine?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो there is no, see, now I told you, no, there is no
Yes, ma'am.
foundation. Whatever you, but you need to tell me that what you are going to prepare. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
fine. So quickly your attendance and then we start with the class. Ahana,
Ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Radhe, yes, Vyom, just a moment, Vyom.
Present, ma'am.
हाँ, Arush, Abhishri, Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Ruchika, Anshika Gangwar and Anshika Yadav is present. Anshika Gangwar is there? No. Arshit Yadav, Anvesha,
Present, ma'am. Arshid Yadav.
okay. Aryan Gangwar,
Present.
Atharv, are you there, beta? Atharv Verma?
Ma'am.
Yes, Aryan, I have marked you present. Atharv, Atharv, are you there? Avantika? Okay, fine, Abhishri. I have marked you present. Avantika, Ayushi Nimesh, Bhavya Khandelwal, Gurleen, Harshit Oberoi,
Harshit
Ishi.
Oberoi
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Ishi.
Ma'am, present.
Yes, Ishi. Jay Ganojia.
Ma'am, Harshit Oberoi present.
Yes, beta, marked. Jivyansh, Kartike.
Divyansh.
Okay, Kartike is not there. Khyati. Khyati is there? No. Yes, Khyati is there. Yes,
ma'am.
yes, Khyati. Kinjal is not there. Mihika, Parush.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Hika present.
Yes, Mihika present. Parush.
Ma'am, Parush present.
Okay. Then Pratyush,
Present, ma'am.
Saksham,
Present, ma'am.
Sagun. Shambhavi is not there.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then Shashank.
Ma'am, Shagun present.
Hanji beta Shagun, I have marked you present. Shivansh, Shreya, Taran. Hanji, Hanji, Hanji.
Ma'am, Taranjot present.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
Shreya present.
Yes, beta Shreya, I have marked you present. Utkarsh, Vishesh Raghuvanshi.
Ma'am,
Utkarsh present.
Yes, beta marked. Vyom Saxena.
Ma'am, present.
Yes, Pratyush, I have marked you present. Vyom Sharma. हाँ, Utkarsh is present. Utkarsh is present. Pratyush is present. Vyom Sharma.
Present, ma'am.
Yashika.
Ma'am, both the Vyoms are present.
Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Shashank is also present. ठीक है. Then Bhavya, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good morning.
Ma'am, Yashika Saxena present.
Yes, beta, I have marked.
Ma'am, Vishesh Raghuvanshi present.
Vishesh Raghuvanshi present. Fine. Kartike has joined or not? No. We have Bhavya in the class today.
Ma'am, Arush Jaiswal present.
Okay, Arush is present. Fine. Right. Fine. Now tell me, like, you all know your groups? Class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
Fine, fine. What I am doing is, I am reading out the names of the students in group A, right?
Ma'am, please give me entry from other device also.
Okay. Come.
Ma'am, you can see, ma'am.
No, I cannot see. Yes, it is there. Fine. Taken, beta.
Ma'am, I'm leaving from this device.
Okay, bache.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. 8C. Roll number 1, 2. I think roll number 1 to 5 are in group A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
okay. Then roll number 6. Sorry. Then 6 to 10 are in second group, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And 11 to 15. Then 16 to 20.
Yes, ma'am.
21,
ma'am.
21 to 25. 26 to 30. And 31 to 35, one group, and 36 to 40, another group. Right? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. Now you tell me, group A, group 1, roll number 1 to 5. What is your topic for SST? What topic are you preparing on?
Ma'am, I will update you it by tomorrow, ma'am, as I thought that we can choose any monument.
It is up to you. You can take any monument, you can take up anything. Like that day you had meeting with Smriti ma'am, no? Because even I was not wanting that you people should be stick to just one thing. So I spoke to her regarding this, and then she said, ma'am, jaise bhi karna hai aap log kar lo, koi problem nahi hai. ठीक है? I think the same thing she conveyed to you people as well, right?
So, ma'am, I will update it you by tomorrow for sure.
Fine. Group 2, 6 to 10 roll numbers. Anshika Yadav, Anvesha, Arshit, Aryan Gangwar and Aryan Gangwar. बेटा आप बताओ. No updates?
Ma'am, we are taking monuments, but the names of the monuments I will send on the WhatsApp group.
Fine. That is okay. Perfect with me. 11 to 15. Aljad, Atharv, Avantika, Ayushi, Bhavya. Bhavya, are you there today?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what your group has planned to make.
We have not decided yet.
So when will you start working on it, bache? I think you people are clear with this part that everyone has to make his or her own, set of project.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
For one subject or everyone will, ma'am, each one of us will make for all subjects.
Yes, each one of you are going to prepare your own, material, art integrated project individually. Because there are many, like some of the students were complaining that, my team members have not contacted me, this problem, that problem, several things were coming up. So it was decided that everyone has to make for all the subject. That way, whatever you are going to prepare, you are going to get marks for it. Those who are not working on it, why to give marks unnecessary to them, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine.
Ma'am, can you please tell ma'am about this? Ma'am, I was not knowing this.
What, Pratyush?
Ma'am, this individual one.
Like, I think that day Smriti ma'am told you all that you people have to prepare on each subject. Like suppose you are part of, I think, which group? You are part of group
Ma'am,
6th. Okay. So in group 6, if there are 5 students, all the 5 students are going to prepare individually for all the subjects. And then you are going to combine your video into one. All, I think this is what, yes, Vyom?
Ma'am, each student means each group has 5 members, and each ma'am, there are 5 subjects and 5
Yes.
members. So
Yes.
ma'am, one member will work on one subject and then compile it in end.
Was it like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, but what I heard that day was ma'am said that you have to prepare for all the subjects, and whatever, like those who are not preparing, they will not get marks, and those who are preparing, they will get marks. Please clarify.
But Smriti ma'am said that
said
the
that
5
if
students
one
will work on
student
in
is
one
looking for
subject.
the specific
Yes, ma'am.
subject, ma'am, then
Acha.
other group members can do that subject. But
And
not
ma'am,
we
we
give
will
it to
compile.
those only. The child who is not doing, he or she will not get the mark.
Mihika, you tell me again. Tell me again.
Ma'am, like there are 5 children in the group.
Yes.
Ma'am, so 4 children are preparing, one
Yes.
children is not cooperating. So
One
ma'am,
child.
ma'am, only 4 children will do a 5 subjects and they will get the marks. The other children will not get.
Okay, it is that way, then it is fine. I thought that everyone has to prepare on all these for all these subjects. So then it is fine, no problems.
मैम ने तो हमें बताया कि एक मेंबर एक सब्जेक्ट पे काम करेगा फिर लास्ट में कंपाइल हो जाएंगे वो.
हाँ हाँ, ऐसा कर लो, वो भी ठीक है. Yes, Ahana, anything that is relevant related to Maharashtra. For your, like I gave you example of like Harshit asked me about civics. So if you are taking up in civics, if you are taking up courts, say for example High Court you are taking, so Bombay High Court, because it is located in Maharashtra, right, you can write, you can tell about that, which all states are connected to this Bombay High Court. Like in northeastern states, main court in northeast is Guwahati High Court. So, right, so the other 7 sister states which are there, they their main court is High Court in Guwahati. So most of the cases of for the High Court part, they are heard over there in Guwahati itself. So same way, like there are 4-5 states and union territories which are connected to Bombay High Court. So that way you can tell that Bombay High Court, like its location you can tell. Then like it will be of geography part, right? Then for history you can tell that how old is that Bombay High Court. Then for maths you can connect it with the art and architecture, again history it will be there. Then what kind of architecture, the measurement part, domes and everything, that you can relate to it in the maths as well. So that way it will cover all these subjects, right?
Okay, ma'am. Understood.
Understood everybody?
Ma'am,
Yes, Vyom?
ma'am, in history, we can ma'am also tell about the ma'am famous war which would be was held in Maharashtra.
You can always tell. You can always tell.
Ma'am, I have a doubt that ma'am we have to make the video of 5 minutes or 10 minutes.
नहीं बेटा 10 मिनट्स तो
I mean
बहुत ज्यादा हो
total.
जाएगा. टोटल देखो ऐसा है कि अगर आप सबने 2-2 मिनट का
Ma'am, after that, we
Wait.
have to make video on one monument.
बेटा आर्यन एक वन बाय वन, बेटा वन बाय वन. देखो ऐसा है ना प्रत्युष, कि आप लोग जब सब अपना कंपाइल करेंगे बच्चे वीडियोस, तो वो 10 मिनट्स की हो सकती है. बिकॉज 2 मिनट्स भी अगर एक बच्चे ने लिया तो 2 5 10 हो गया, 10 मिनट्स आराम से हो गए. 10 का आप 12 मिनट्स भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है. बट कोशिश करिएगा कि बहुत ज्यादा लेंदी ना बनाओ.
Ma'am, Smriti ma'am said that the video should be, ma'am, the total length of the video should be 5 minutes.
नहीं बेटा 5 मिनट्स में कैसे हो जाएगा? 5 मिनट्स में आप कर लोगे?
Ma'am, 6 to 7 minutes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, she said that maximum length 6 minutes.
अच्छा, मैक्सिमम लेंथ कितनी होगी?
Only 6 minutes.
हाँ, what Shivansh?
Smriti ma'am told that the maximum length of the video should be of 5 minutes, but if it increases a little, then it should be only of 6 minutes.
Okay, so you people need to plan that way. That means, right, class? Plan it that way.
Yes, ma'am.
Plan it that way.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta Jivyansh.
Ma'am,
But we can do.
Yes. Aryan, wait.
Ma'am, we have to make the PPT and ma'am speech both, or ma'am we have to make only one.
Both I think. बेटा PPT आपका बनेगा और PPT सुनो PPT आपका बना, उसके पीछे से आप बोल रहे हो, मतलब आपका जो एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट है वो भी चलेगा और जो आपका PPT है वो भी चलेगी, ठीक है. दोनों चीजें साथ में होंगी. हाँ जी आर्यन, आप बताइए बेटा, आपको क्या डाउट है बेटा?
Ma'am, the whole group have to make only on one monument only, or different monuments can be taken?
मॉन्यूमेंट पे मत अटको, हमने अभी आपको क्या बताया कि अभी जरूरी नहीं है कि आप मॉन्यूमेंट्स ही पे करो सब, आप कोई भी टॉपिक ले सकते हो, ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड, हिस्ट्री से रिलेटेड, सिविक्स से रिलेटेड, एनीथिंग दैट यू फील इज गुड फॉर यू पीपल एंड यू ऑल कैन रिसर्च ऑन दैट, आप इजीली उसमें बना लोगे, है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
यस उत्कर्ष, एनी डाउट्स?
No, ma'am.
पक्का? एनीबडी एल्स?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
यस व्योम?
but it will be, ma'am, difficult to, ma'am, do all the subjects in 6 minutes or 5
हो जाएगा बेटा, कोशिश करो, हो जाएगा। 9th 10th के बच्चों ने ऐसे ही करा है उनके, हालांकि हम लोग
Every video should be of 1 minute.
ट्राई करो 1 मिनट का हो जाए, है ना, नॉट मोर देन दैट। यस, यू पीपल कैन राइट अबाउट फेस्टिवल एंड फूड एज वेल, नो प्रॉब्लम्स विद दैट, है ना?
Ma'am, I am saying, ma'am, that math.
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस हर्षित?
Ma'am, तो मैम लाइक यू आर सेइंग मैम, हमारी वीडियो में ही हमारी पीपीटी चलती रहेगी?
हाँ, जैसे आपने जो बनाया उसको पहले आप वीडियो वो कर लो। जैसे हम मैं क्या बताऊं आपको, जैसे हम क्या करते, जब हम लोग वीडियोस बनाते हैं, आपने देखा होगा, आप लोगों ने टीचर्स डे के लिए वीडियोस बनाए थे, आप लोग अपने फ्रेंड्स वगैरह के बर्थडेज के लिए बनाते हो, किसी और चीज के लिए जब आप बनाते हो वीडियोस, तो आप क्या करते हो, एक पिक्चर को बहुत देर तक लेके रखते हो और उसके पीछे से साउंड आते रहता है, ऐसे ही तो होता है कुछ।
यस मैम।
तो आपका पीपीटी भी ऐसे ही बनेगा, पीपीटी प्लस
That's all video editing.
हाँ, बस वही
मैम बट लैपटॉप,
बोलो।
मैम बट लैपटॉप में मैम पीपीटी के अंदर मैम ऑडियो कैसे सेट करेंगे?
बेटा पीपीटी पहले बना लो, उसको पीडीएफ की फॉर्म में अपने फोन पे भेज दो, फिर जो भी फोन में एप्लीकेशन होगा उसके थ्रू कर लो, जो हमें समझ में आया था कि ऐसे कर सकते हैं।
ओके मैम।
जैसे आपने हमारे वीडियोस देखे होंगे, जब हम वीडियोस बनाते थे तो हम कुछ पिक्चर्स आपको दिखाते थे और कुछ रिटन पार्ट दिखाते थे, तो हम क्या करते थे, जैसे आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली रिमेम्बर, वो काइन मास्टर था ना, शायद उसमें इस तरीके का। अब तो हालांकि बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन है, बहुत सारे वो है मोड्स हैं जिसके थ्रू आप कर सकते हो, बट आई एम गिविंग यू एग्जांपल ऑफ काइन मास्टर, क्योंकि हमने उसके थ्रू करा था। तो उसमें आपने एक पिक्चर को ले लिया, काफी लंबे टाइम तक उसको आपने ड्रैग करा और फिर आपको जो भी बोलना है उस पिक्चर से रिलेटेड आप बोल रहे हो, इस तरीके का भी कुछ कर सकते हो, है ना बेटा?
That means it can be happen.
हाँ, इट इज।
Ma'am, we will do it in a half screen, ma'am. आधी screen पे ma'am हमें वॉइस ओवर करना है।
आर्यन दोबारा बोलो, आपकी बात समझ में नहीं आई हमको। आर्यन दोबारा रिपीट करो बेटा, आप क्या कह रहे थे?
You're saying that ma'am, you're saying that there will be, and behind that you will ma'am body language.
बेटा आपकी आवाज बिल्कुल क्लियर नहीं है आर्यन, आई एम नॉट गेटिंग यू, आप क्या कहना चाह रहे हो, हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
Ma'am, write in the chat box.
हाँ, you message me in the chat box, no problems, है ना? Yes class, anybody who has doubts, like yes प्रत्युष पूछो बेटा।
Ma'am, we have to stand in front of the video, or we have to make a PPT for it.
बेटा आपकी पिक्चर भी आनी चाहिए, क्योंकि हमें पता होना चाहिए ये आपने बनाया है ना? तो आप चाहे तो एक अपनी फोटो डाल के इनिशियल स्पीकिंग वाला और उसके बाद फिर आप पीपीटी में वो बाकी चीजें कंटेंट अपने डाल दो, है ना?
Excuse me, ma'am.
यस बेटा।
Ma'am, for every subject we have to make PPT.
बेटा हमने तो ऐसे ही बनवाया है बेटा 9th 10th में बच्चों से ना, पीपीटी तो बनेगी ही बनेगी।
Okay, ma'am.
हम लोग उन लोगों
So ma'am,
हाँ
ma'am, we have to insert our picture and ma'am then we will say that ma'am, me Divyansh Arora.
No, you don't have to tell that I am Divyansh Arora. You can write, or you can say yes, I am Divyansh and going to tell you about whatever you are going to explain about.
Okay ma'am.
है ना? या आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो बेटा, या आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हो कि आप लोग अपना अपना पार्ट पहले बिना दिखाए बोल दो, ठीक है। उसके बाद एक लास्ट जो क्लिपिंग है वो ऐसी बनाओ जिसमें आप सबकी फोटोज आ जाएं। जैसे जो भी आपका, सपोज से फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट मी रीड आउट, हाँ, जैसे कार्तिकेय है, ठीक है, कार्तिकेय की पिक्चर आएगी, कार्तिकेय बोलेगा हेलो आई एम कार्तिकेय, ठीक है। देन ख्याति, hello I am Khyati, I have, like you can tell that on what particular topic, which particular topic you people are speaking। तो वो चीज आप जब आप बता दोगे तो फिर we can relate कि जब आप लोग का जो पार्ट आएगा तो we can relate to that कि हाँ ये दिव्यांश बोल रहा है, या ये कार्तिकेय बोल रहा है, या ये ख्याति बोल रही है, या जय बोल रहा है, या ईशी बोल रही है। जो भी आपका ग्रुप का पार्ट है, आप लास्ट की जो स्लाइड है उसमें ऐसा कर सकते हो, वो अच्छा भी रहेगा। या फिर कुछ नहीं बोलना है तो सिंपली अपने फोटोज लगा दो और नाम लिख दो, दैट्स इट, है ना। वॉइस ओवर सबका हो जाए, वॉइस ओवर सबका हो जाए, पिक्चर जो है आखिरी में आ जाए आप लोगों की, वो ज्यादा बेटर रहेगा ना।
Ma'am, means after speaking about the PPT, at last we can introduce ourselves.
Either you introduce through pictures, like you people can have a passport size photograph of every member or every group member, and you can stick it in just one part and make a slide। जिस पीपीटी में हम स्लाइड तो बनाते हैं, तो एक स्लाइड बना दो जिसमें आप लोगों की फोटोज और नाम के साथ हो। बाकी वॉइस ओवर आपका
Okay,
अपने
ma'am.
पार्ट में चलता रहेगा पीछे से, वो बहुत इजी होगा, है ना।
Ma'am, we can give our intro in the starting also.
इंट्रो स्टार्टिंग में मत दो, या अपना नाम बोल दो, दिव्यांश। हाँ व्योम बोलो बेटा।
मैम 5-6 की मैम हमें लेंथ बढ़ानी है, तो मैम उसमें भी इंट्रो अगर हम देंगे तो मैम बन ही नहीं पाएगी।
बढ़ जाएगा, हाँ वही ना, वो पार्ट बढ़ जाएगा। तो आप केवल ऐसा रखो कि जो लास्ट जो अपनी फोटोग्राफ्स आप जो है आप स्लाइड में डाल दो एक उसमें, जिससे कि आप लोग का टाइम बचेगा, है ना। जैसे ऊपर उसकी हेडिंग लिख दो, ग्रुप मेंबर्स और द पार्टिसिपेंट्स, और फिर अपनी अपनी फोटो डाल दो, उसके नीचे नाम लिख दो अपने, तो जो भी उसको देख रहा होगा वो पढ़ लेगा, है ना।
मैम अदरवाइज मैम वी कैन डू लाइक दिस दैट geography in PPT in one slide, ma'am if I am taking SST, तो SST नीचे by Vyom Saxena।
हाँ ऐसे कर लो, ऐसे कर लो, ये भी ठीक है। हाँ that this way also।
Ma'am,
हाँ बोलो।
what is the last date of submission?
What is the last date of submission? अभी आप लोग काम करो, हम बिल्कुल आप लोगों को परेशान नहीं करेंगे, आप लोग ले लो ये एटलीस्ट 2 वीक्स तो आप यूटिलाइज कर ही लो अपने पढ़ने के लिए, करने के लिए, है ना।
मैम ड्यूटीज भी आ रहे हैं।
हाँ आई नो दैट इज, आई नो। ज्यादा प्रेशराइज मत हो, आराम आराम से करो, बट कर लो। ये मत सोचना कि लास्ट मोमेंट हम जो है सब कुछ कर लेंगे, कीप डूइंग इट, ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
फाइन। और बेटा जो भी पीपीटी आप बना रहे हो उसको आप उसकी एक कॉपी भी रखिएगा, जैसे हमने 9th-10th के बच्चों से कहा था, जो भी वो बना रहे हैं उसका एक रिकॉर्ड वो फिजिकल उसमें रखेंगे, जैसे उन्होंने जो भी बनाया था वो पेपर्स के थ्रू बना के जो है फिर उसको अपडेट करा, उसको फिर उसकी पीपीटी बनाई थी, ठीक है। तो आप लोग भी ऐसे ही करिएगा बच्चे, ठीक है।
ओके मैम।
हाँ भव्या, व्हाट इज योर ग्रुप मेकिंग? नॉट डिसाइडेड येट, नो?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
So, ma'am, we have to choose one monument or one topic of Maharashtra.
Anything of Maharashtra. You can go for the folk songs, you can go for the folk dances, you can go for the dance forms which are there in Maharashtra practice. You can go for the traditional practices of Maharashtra. Now there is no foundation that you have to work on monuments only.
Ma'am, can we write about the Marathas, ma'am, Peshwas and Maratha warriors?
Yes,
ma'am,
yes.
our group is writing about that only.
हाँ, that is fine. Go with that, no issues.
Ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, beta Khyati.
Ma'am, it is, ma'am, important to make PPT.
बेटा बिना पीपीटी के कैसे बनाओगे आप? अपना कंटेंट कैसे दिखाओगे बिना पीपीटी के? बताओ। अगर आप बिना पीपीटी नहीं बनाओगे तो बिना पीपीटी बनाए आप कैसे अपना पीपीटी, है ना? है ना
मैम?
जी
मैम for every subject we can take means we can take अलग-अलग monument.
yes you can easily, no problems at all.
Okay मैम.
है ना? हाँ जी. Anything else?
No, ma'am.
No मैम.
Fine. I think your syllabus has been updated to you people for the UP.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am. Ma'am, 3 chapters are coming in.
ma'am.
हाँ. Which chapter of history is coming?
Social.
Ma'am, chapter 9. Ma'am, chapter 9.
Ma'am,
Yes.
social reformers.
And civics?
Understanding law.
Chapter 5, understanding law.
Geography?
Ma'am,
Mineral and power resources.
Minerals and resources.
Mineral and power resources.
Minerals and power resources.
Chapter number? Chapter number? Chapter number?
5.
Ma'am, 5.
Fine. Fine.
Ma'am, and it will be, ma'am, means SSC test 3rd Feb.
Yes, it
3rd
is on 3rd or 4th Feb, something, some dates like that.
February.
It is your last exam.
Ma'am, they are starting on 25 and ending on 4th.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, it will be 4th because it is last.
It is on 4th of February. Yes, yes, I remember. Exactly after 1 month you have your exam. So I don't think that you really need lot of, brushing up for this chapter because we have done this chapter in quite details, right?
Ma'am, we can do
Ma'am,
revision.
only question answers are left.
Ma'am, we can do revision and means means 1 to 3 Feb or
That we will do, don't worry. That we will do, you don't worry for that, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Tell me which chapter we are going through?
Ma'am, chapter
Ma'am, we
9
were
in
doing the
history.
question answers of chapter 9.
Okay.
Ma'am, chapter 9.
Chapter 9
Ma'am, in
question.
answer in 50 to 70 words, third one.
Okay, I think we have time. We can discuss that.
Yes, ma'am.
Chapter 9, 50 to 70 words. Question number 3, you said, no?
Ma'am, question number 4 we have to start.
Okay, bring out the efforts made by Pandita Ramabai for improving the condition of the women. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell this answer? Yes, Shivansh, can you tell?
Ma'am, which answer?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Ma'am, may I tell the answer?
Ma'am, may I tell?
Bolo, Jivyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo, sunao.
Ma'am, Pandita Ramabai was one such pioneer in the field of women reform.
Jivyansh, one such mat bolo, क्योंकि ये वन सच पायनियर दिया गया है ऊपर वाले रेलेवेंस से, जो ऊपर जो 3 लाइंस लिखी हैं, तो आप लिखो पंडिता रमाबाई वाज अ पायनियर इन द फील्ड ऑफ विमेन्स रिफॉर्म. ठीक है, वन सच को मत लिखो, वाज अ पायनियर.
Okay, ma'am. Pandita Ramabai was a pioneer in the field of women's reform. She was educated in sacred Sanskrit texts by her father and had become a widow at a young age. Her own experience as a widow led her to work for the welfare of widows. Ramabai began her social work from the with Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune. Later, she established the Sharda Sadan, a school for Indian widows in Bombay. Ramabai's greatest contribution was her effort to educate the widows and she left behind the pupils to carry her forward.
Okay, what you can write is, I am dictating, you people can just underline, right? You will write, Pandita Ramabai was a pioneer in the field of women's reform. Second point, she was educated in Sanskrit texts, full stop. She became a widow at a young age. Next point, her experiences as a widow led her to work for the welfare of widows. Next point, she began her social work with Arya Mahila Samaj in Pune and later on established the Sharda Sadan, which was a school for Indian widows in Bombay. Next point, her greatest contribution was her effort to educate the widows. Full stop, answer complete. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Then come to the next question. What efforts were undertaken to facilitate social reform in Muslim society? So here you can write that many of the among the Muslims, many social reformers were there who introduced education for girls. Some of them were then Khwaja Altaf Hussain Ali and Sheikh Muhammad Abdullah. You can write their names. Then you can write that Sir Syed Ahmad Khan also led the Aligarh movement and did much for the education and emancipation of Muslim women. इसको आप और elaborate कर सकते हो if you can write in your own language. सर सैयद अहमद खान वाला जो लास्ट प्रीवियस टॉपिक जो था उसमें से आप बता दो कि भाई मुस्लिम्स जो थे, मुस्लिम रिफॉर्मर्स जो थे, उन्होंने अपने मतलब विमेन अपलिफ्टमेंट के लिए बहुत कुछ करा. उन्होंने विमेन एजुकेशन को पे भी पूरा ध्यान दिया. उनके लिए जो है गर्ल्स स्कूल्स खोले जिससे कि वेयर दे कुड गो एंड यू नो गेट नॉलेज. राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then I think this much is sufficient. You people can write.
Yes, ma'am.
Then talking about the G part, answer the following questions in 80 to 100 words. Beta, इसमें आप question number 3 or question number 4, sorry, question number 4 we are not going to do. Question number 3 you will be doing on your own. After reading the chapter, whatever you have come to know about the education of women in the past and in the 20th century, you have to make a comparison. ठीक है कि पहले का स्टेटस क्या था विमेन एजुकेशन का और आज की डेट में क्या है. सॉरी, स्टेटस, ओनली स्टेटस. ठीक है, पहले क्या था आज क्या है, दैट यू हैव टू कंपेयर. तो ये आप लोग खुद से करेंगे. ठीक है. कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. व्हाट लेड द सोशल रिफॉर्मर्स टू वर्क फॉर द इमेंसिपेशन ऑफ विमेन? ये वाला आंसर कौन बताएगा? तरन बताएंगे. तरन, आर यू देयर? Yes, Taran. Taran.